I want to mention a few other things about the language itself so that you might solidify your wish for learning it. Python is known for its simplicity, and what it means is that it looks a lot like human language English. In fact, it is said that people with no understanding at all of programming are often capable of understanding Python just because they can read English. Now, this simplicity allows you to learn the Python fundamentals in less time. And as a consequence, you can start work on your software projects earlier, and therefore complete them earlier. The simplicity also means for you that you will commit fewer mistakes. Fewer mistakes are fewer mistakes to correct. That means, again, faster development time. Python is also known as a powerful language, and one reason for that is the fact that you can say more with less. When you use Python, you can say the same thing with fewer lines than you would with other programming languages. And that again gives you access to faster development times.